Hi there, I'm Corey McCain, CEO of WeStrive, and I'm going to walk you through this FAQ. So what is Zapier? Today, I'm excited to guide you through integrating WeStrive with Zapier, a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps and automates workflows. Zapier acts like a bridge between different web applications, enabling them to communicate and work together seamlessly. Zapier is your assistant that takes care of automating tasks so you no longer have to manually do them. With Zapier, you can create zaps, simple automated actions that trigger when certain conditions are met. For example, you can set up a zap to automatically email a client from Gmail every time they are added on WeStrive. Integrating Zapier with WeStrive opens up a world of efficiency. You can automate tasks, sync data across different apps, and streamline processes, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on the tedious manual work. Now, let's dive in and see how Zapier can transform the way you work. After you've made an account on Zapier.com, all you need to do is just get your API key from WeStrive. On the WeStrive dashboard, simply just click the lightning icon, click Generate, and then copy the key. Once you have the key copied, just head to Zapier.com, click on Apps, New Connection, and then add in the API key. You're now connected and ready to get started. Today I'll walk you through how to add a new line to a specific Google Sheet every time a new client is added. Let's say every client is worth $200 per month for you. So you have this WeStrive Zapier spreadsheet ready to go. I'll click Create Zap and then search for WeStrive. There are a handful of triggers to select. Let's do Add Client today, aka every time a client is added, something happens on Zapier. I'll connect my account, test it, and then move on to the action. I'll select Google Sheets and then select Create Spreadsheet Row. I'll then connect my Google account, select my drive, and then choose the spreadsheet I want. I forgot to name the page in the spreadsheet, so it's just called Sheet 1, and now I'm ready to start selecting the fields. Under New Clients, I'll connect that to full name inside of WeStrive. Revenue, I'll type in 200 since that's what I charge each client. I'll then connect the email field and push Continue. My Zap is now ready to test, and here's where the magic works. The moment I push Test, you'll see my spreadsheet has a brand new row with the name, amount, and email of my new client. It's easy as that. Now let's show this in real life. I've added a new client to my WeStrive account, and instantly I find a new row in my Google Sheet. The best part is that Zapier offers over 5,000 apps to integrate with. Here are a few examples. Add a client on WeStrive and they'll get added to a MailChimp list instantly. Request a signature on Sign Now when a client subscribes to your program. And finally, get a Google form response and instantly invite that client on WeStrive. It's really as simple as that. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out to help@westrive.com. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to keep striving.